Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Sony SRS-XV800 X Series wireless portable Bluetooth karaoke party speaker. Product link is in the description below. This speaker is designed for party lovers, families, and performers who want powerful sound, splash-resistant durability, and exciting light effects in one portable package. The design is bold and practical, finished in black with a rugged build that's IPX4 splash-resistant. It features a built-in handle and wheels, making it easy to transport between rooms, backyards, or outdoor events. The ambient LED lights add energy to any gathering, syncing with the beat to create a dynamic atmosphere. Sony engineered this speaker to balance portability with performance, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor entertainment. Performance is where the 15800 shines. With omnidirectional sound, it delivers immersive audio that fills large spaces evenly. The powerful drivers produce deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, ensuring music across genres sounds dynamic and engaging. Whether streaming EDM, hip-hop, or rock, the speaker provides consistent clarity and punch. Karaoke functionality with microphone input adds interactive fun, while guitar input makes it versatile for performers. Despite its portable design, the XV800 delivers room-filling sound that rivals larger systems. Connectivity and usability are highlights. The XV800 supports Bluetooth streaming for quick pairing with smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Onboard controls make it easy to adjust volume, bass, and lighting, while USB and auxiliary inputs add flexibility. The rechargeable battery provides up to 25 hours of playtime, keeping music going through long events. Fast charging ensures minimal downtime, while wireless convenience reduces cable clutter. Durability and convenience stand out. Built with robust materials, the XV800 is engineered for long-term use. Its splash-resistant design ensures reliability outdoors, while the wheels and handle make it easy to move. The combination of powerful sound, karaoke features, and ambient lights makes it a dependable solution for parties and performances. Use cases are broad. For families, it enhances celebrations with music and karaoke. For performers, it doubles as a portable PA with guitar input. For party lovers, it delivers bass-heavy sound and visuals. For outdoor enthusiasts, it provides entertainment for camping or festivals. In summary, the Sony SRS-XV800 X Series wireless portable Bluetooth karaoke party speaker combines powerful audio, splash-resistant durability, and exciting light effects in one package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.